Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 C300 Cabriolet. This one is a selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with the sports package with 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, diamond style grille in the front, sports exterior and interior, saddle brown leather interior, a natural grain gray wood trim, C300 4MATIC badging, opening up the trunk, we've got a clean set of AMG floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 3 package with Distronic Plus, blind spot assist, speed limit assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, illuminated door sill, parking assistance package, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation with voice command, surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad and turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, our button for our retractable roof. This C300 Cabriolet has 24,604 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 Cabriolet, visit us at feldmanimports.com.